Good morning, YouTubers. I almost got pissed off and threw this bean grinder out because some dummy, after he washed it, left the lid in the dish drainer. And I like grinding my beans up fine. This sucker does the job. Man, fine grind and you can get more flavor out of the beans. A little dusty. I'm going to leave the dust in there for the next batch. And very critical, I got the lid on, because if you don't have the lid on and somehow you get it to run, it splashes bean fragments all over you. Live and learn. Loaded with water. Locked and loaded. Power on. Fire in the hole. Starting my day. Now I gotta find my hearing aid somewhere. Next problem. Gotta deal with it one problem at a time, YouTubers. God bless you.